with me. Wow, wow, wow. When I started from home, it was not raining at all. And the moment I reached here, it is really raining heavily. So you can see I'm reaching somewhere to watch some dance show, and hopefully I will make you see some of the performances as well in my next video. Till then, you enjoy the rain with me. If you like it, please write your comments and tell me how you like my videos. Just check this out. See, people are standing here waiting for this rain to slow down. There is a huge lane of scooterists who are waiting on the way for, and it's really very heavy. Just check this out. I can't even see the number of the car ahead of me, and I have to use the wiper continuously. Let's see if we have a nice song. कह ना सकूं, कह ना सकूं, कह ना सकूं, कह ना सकूं. Oh my God! Oh my God! Just see this, guys. Woohoo! Look at this auntie. She's crazy, jumping the signals, coming ahead of a car in such weather. And I think when I'm gonna get out of my car, I don't have an umbrella, so probably I have to drench myself. Let's see, baby, what happens. Woo. Can't see. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.